Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect GitHub Copilot to VS Code in 2025. So step 1, download Visual Studio Code from code.visualstudio.com. Install it and open it once ready. Step 2, sign it to GitHub. Click on the account icon in the bottom left and sign in to your GitHub account. This is necessary for authentication. Step 3. Install GitHub Copilot extension. You can go to the extension panel or click Ctrl-Shift-X and search for GitHub Copilot. Click install and wait a few seconds for it to activate. Step 4. Authorize GitHub Copilot. Once installed, a pop-up will appear asking for permission to connect your GitHub account. Click the Sign In and approve the Copilot extension through your browser. Step 5. Start using. Open a new file. Start typing some code, and GitHub Copilot will begin suggesting autocompletions based on your input. This is an optional step. Check the subscription. GitHub Copilot requires a subscription after a free trial. You can go to github.com/settings/copilot to check your billing status or activate a student plan if eligible. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.